Welcome to the accounting dashboard in the Docyt app. Effortlessly identify critical business aspects associated with accounts payable, receipts, transactions, or peruse documents in the inbox. First, let's focus on unpaid invoices. This section is crucial for tracking invoices that are yet to be settled. Keep an eye on these to ensure timely payments and maintain a healthy cash flow for your business. Next, we have unverified receipts. Here, you'll find receipts that require your review and confirmation. Verifying these receipts promptly ensures accuracy in your financial records and helps in maintaining transparency. Next, we have unverified transactions. Here, you'll find transactions that require your review and confirmation. Verifying these transactions promptly ensures accuracy in your financial records. Moving on to invoices ready for payment. This is where you'll see invoices that are processed and awaiting payment. This feature makes it easy to manage and prioritize payments, ensuring that your financial obligations are met on time. Lastly, the past due invoices section. This is an important area that highlights invoices that have exceeded their payment due dates. Keeping track of these helps you to follow up effectively and manage overdue payments efficiently. And that's a brief overview of the accounting dashboard in your Docyt app, designed to keep your financial management tasks organized and controlled. Thank you for choosing Docyt.